binili. For today's video, well, I bought this already last week, but then I just do unboxing here so that you see it, guys. So for now, I'm using the cell phone. So this is a really good camera. I make short video already and it's been uploaded to my shorts. So for now, I'm gonna show you my new camera and let's unbox together. So I'm gonna show you so that I don't have to shout when I talk to you guys. So this worth, we have this 32,000 without microphone and stand. So I purchased for a set. It's with stand and a mic. And this is 36,000. And you can choose for memory card for about, I have 2,000 for 56 gig, 4,000 for 4,000 gig, and then 5,000. So it's raising the price, So then what else I purchased here is, I also do the screen protector for 900 pesos. So 36 plus 4,000, no, 256 is 4,000. So that's 40,000 plus 900. So that's about 40,900 pesos for all of this set camera. It's DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So okay, I'm gonna show you. So I'm excited to use this one because I can connect this to my cell phone at the same time, and it's very handy when I do it alone. So I have this, I have the Canon camera, and I need cameraman for that because the autofocus need really to be steady. I need cameraman for that. But this one is very easy to use, and of course you can search it online. There's so much in the YouTube review for this. So okay, let's close first and then open. Okay, it's open, and my god, I did not use this one. It feels so classy, social. No, I feel like, oh my god, too expensive to use, but yeah, I have to use this one. My other Canon camera is, I spent 64,000 together with the memory card and the bag, what else, the cord, but then I did not use that still, but I can use that for photos. But for video, I really need a cameraman for that so that my video will be steady. So okay, I have this. I'm gonna show you what I have, and I also have this DJI camera, mic, and also I'm going to purchase a ring light for this. I only have to attach, and it's about 1,500 at Amazon. Oh, I forgot, it's together with the magnet. I don't know where's the magnet now, but I will see. Oh, it's here. Ah, so cute. So okay, this is a magnet that you can just put it in your blouse. It's quite heavy. Oh my god. You really have to be careful. See? I can't talk to you without shouting now. Okay. Next is the extra battery. It's a kind of tripod. So this one, I can attach it here. So it's on. So I have to off. Look, it's working. So I put it off. And here I can attach it here. I have to click this one. Like this. And also press here to remove. But then for now, I'm going to show you everything first. Then I have this one. It's a big one. battery, so I have two. And I also have this condenser for the noise reduction. So I have also this cord, so I think I will see if I need this one. And this is for the microphone, or it's a mic. I don't know how to use this one, but yeah, I have this. I will figure out later, but first I'm going to show you everything. That's all inside this pouch. So next is we're going to open more. I still have more, so just wait. So okay. I have this. Okay. This one is I can put this here inside. Like this. I have to do it carefully. I know I have to do this like this. Yeah, but okay, I'll just put that like that. It's the safety cover, and here I have this stand, so I can attach already. Attach this one. And then here so this is how it looks like. And of course, when you put it on, you can also flip this one, then it will start right away. Flip. So it's starting, and you can also connect it to your cell phone. So you only have to put on your Bluetooth, and then it will connect. When you make pictures, you can also view at the same time into your phone. And also you can flip. So it's off. With that. Okay. And then okay, I will find out later na. I think I need to charge this one. But so far, this is all I have, and I'm going to, starting for tomorrow, I'm going to use that for my video vlog. So we'll see how it looks like compared to my cell phone. So now I have this 2 rings. So I think so far that's all for now, and I'll see you next video. Bye everyone.